Hello, and welcome to the Gwinnett County Public Library YouTube channel. My name is Donna, and today we are introducing our Virtual Selling with eBay program.
Hello, my name is Alicia and we will be your hosts. This year has brought many changes in the workforce. One way to make some cash is to sell your new or refurbished items. Today, we want to share information about eBay, an American-based multinational e-commerce platform that concentrates on selling and buying merchandise. We will show you how to find the website on your computer and how to navigate it. You can also download the eBay app on your smartphone or tablet. Then we'll show you small business resources on the GCPL website.
eBay is an e-commerce corporation based in San Jose, California, but it's a worldwide community of over 180 million shoppers and sellers. Its focus is online shopping, and it's best known for auctioning items. eBay facilitates selling and buying a wide range of items including electronics, vehicles, sporting goods, collectibles, jewelry, and much more. eBay has daily deals and brand outlets for every category. On eBay, you can also sell refurbished items. Refurbished items have been restored by an individual or a company, making the items ready to resell.
If you're considering selling on eBay, you probably have an idea of what you would like to market. Selling on eBay is simple and straightforward. You can start with listing your first 50 items for free per month. You can set a fixed price or auction your item. You can post 12 photos for free and write a detailed description. When you do sell an item on eBay, you will pay a 10% fee based on the final selling price. All payments are securely handled by PayPal for an additional fee. You can print shipping labels at home and get discounts on postage.
Let's take a look at the eBay website. First, search for ebay.com in your web browser. You will see the home page with all the categories of items you can sell or purchase. To get started with an account, click on the Register button located on the top left side of the page. Enter your first and last names, type in your email address, and create a password. Another option is to log in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. After you create an account, you can explore the eBay website and see what is being offered. As you can see, there are categories and subcategories of all the items being sold. For example, let's click on electronics and then laptops. Over here on the left side of the screen, there are filters you can use to narrow down your search, such as the brand of laptop, the type of laptop most suitable for your needs, delivery estimates, condition, and price. Now that you've created an account, you can also purchase items on eBay. However, you should always take precautions to keep your personal information secure by creating a strong password and using the internet safely.
We hope you have enjoyed our presentation. We wish you the best of luck in selling your items. Please remember, if you would like to learn more about e-commerce or starting your own small business, you can find free resources on the Gwinnett County Public Library website. Online databases such as Small Business Resources, Learning Express, and Gale courses are available to you. Lynda.com has a course specifically about eBay selling. This course is for beginners and is about 3 hours long.
If you have any questions about our database resources, please contact us. You can go to our website at gwinnettpl.org or call us at our Customer Contact Center at 770-978-5154. Thank you.